All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 2. No, part 1 actually. Yes, just checking, huh?
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you some questions from speaking part 1. In part 1, you have to give a brief answer, suthra, saaf, suthra answer, give it to examiner, and they'll give you good bench score. Your topic is about sharing, and my question is, do you share anything with others? Did you share anything with others recently?
Yes, I recently shared my dress with.
I recently shared.
Oh, sorry. I recently shared my dress with one of my friend.
With one of my friends.
With one of my friends.
Always we use friends. After one of, we use plural. Okay.
Okay. So I recently shared my dress with one of my friends. So it was sorry.
I tell you what to do. I'll pick up your idea, right? Did you share anything with others recently? Very recently, I shared my dress with my friend. He wanted to attend a wedding and he did not have enough money to buy a new dress. So he came to me. Luckily, his size is the same my size, so I lent him my dress and he used it there and then he returned that to me.
Okay.
See, this is a very fine answer. Just try to do something like that.
Sir.
All right, let's go on. Did your parents teach you to share when you were a child?
Yes, of course. Like everyone else, my parents always teach me.
Taught me.
Always-
Past tense. Did your parents teach you? So my parents always taught me.
Always taught me a lot of valuable things, such as sharing is one of them. So they told me to share my choice and my station with my younger brothers, so younger siblings. So because I am the elder one, so these are the things that always advise me to do that.
Okay. What kind of things do you like to share with others?
Well, I can share almost everything that belongs to me, including my pen, my books, even my clothes, with my parents and as well as my friends, except my personal things. I feel very thrilled while helping others. So
Okay, I feel very thrilled while helping others.
Yes.
Okay. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
well, according to my point of view, one should avoid to share their personal things, including your bank details, your passwords, and your phone as well. So these are the things that one should avoid to share someone.
Okay, talk about something that other person will use it. So if you just bank details, maybe bank statement, but passport you cannot share with anyone. It's your passport, right? So talk about something which now, for example, I've got the pencil, I'm using it. I give it to you, you are using it. So I'm sharing it with you. Talk about something like that, okay? All right, overall answers are good, but you should be clear. And initially you were puzzled. So try
So
to overcome.
I just confused.
Don't get confused, okay?
While you at the beginning you just interrupt me, so that's why I
Okay,
get confused.
you know I have to do that. I have to correct you grammatically and all that. But don't be nervous. You know, when you are confident, then you always speak well. Okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you. It's your turn now. Okay, your topic is patience,
Ji.
and my first question is, were you patient when you were young? Patient means you had more patience when you were young.
Basically, I don't remember correctly because in this time I was childhood.
At that time, I was a
And
child.
At that time, I was a childhood.
I was a child.
Childhood, and nobody tell me about that.
Nobody told me about that. So I don't know exactly when I was a child whether I was patient or not. How do you feel when other people are not patient?
I don't feel good than other people not feel patience.
When other people are not patient?
Are not patient, and I think everybody should be feel to patience.
Yeah, everybody should be patient. Patient means to have patience.
Patience.
Sabar hona.
Okay.
It's just like that. Are you less or more patient when you are angry?
When I am angry, I don't
have any patience.
I don't have any patience.
Because in angerness, I lose all my patience. So whenever I get angry, I lose all my patience, and that time I'm just angry. Do you understand the question?
Yeah. Yes,
So, you know, answers should be like that.
Yes.
4-5 sentences. Now, for example, my first question was, were you patient when you were young? I'm picking up your idea. When I was young, I don't remember whether I was patient or not, because in my childhood, I was too small and I don't have any idea about that. But my parents tell me I was a patient child. That's it. Okay, answer should be complete and good knowledge. Then how do you feel when other people are not patient? I don't feel good when other people are not patient, because patience is something we should all have, and the good nations, they have one quality, and that is to be patient. So when other people are not patient, then I don't feel good about it, and I sometimes get annoyed as well, something like that. Okay, so just try to give a good answer and you'll be able to get good bench score as well, right? Thank you very much.